Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add location link in Canva invitation, and it will be a complete step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we already make an invitation card for our guests, and here there is a like you can see the location already been over there. So I will change the location and make it Dhaka, Bangladesh or BD, and I can add couple of other to make it narrow, like it will be Trani, Bronze, and this is our address. So I will search this address in our Google Maps. So I will search Google Maps here and then hit the enter, and I will go into the Google Maps, and in the search Google Maps option I will search the address Google Maps Dhaka BD, and they are provide us the option Dhaka BD. So here you can see this is the Chronicle. So I will click over that place, or the click over here, and I will select this Tamim resort, or I will find out the resort I have. This was the good resort, so I will click over that place. Once I click over here, then I will copy the link over that place, and then I will paste it here. Just click this three dot button. First of all, you just need to select the address, then click this three dot button, then click to the link and then paste it here, and just click to the done, and here it actually been done. So I will download the link over here. Just click this one, and here I will download it as a PDF, and then I will select the page and I will download it. Once it perfectly download, then we can easily see the locations by clicking the link. Here you can see that our link is working. Just click over here and it will redirect us here. So here you can see already give us the address Tamim Resort. So this way you can add link or add location link in Canva invitation. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.